Dear guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how we can make a new profile on Netflix. So let's start. The first thing you want to do, let's just disable Netflix and everything. Open Netflix application. And when you're gonna be here, you just wanna click here, add profile on your menu. Now we just add here the profile name, 1, 2, 3. And you can also change the picture, or for kids, click save. And right when you do it, you're gonna see it right here. What you can do, you just edit and delete the profile. So yeah, thank you very much everybody, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.